How's it going? Here with my buddy Langford at Summertimebees, and we're spinning honey. So we have this radial spinner, and it's got a fog reverse, super nice. We have this one over here. Put the white flat in here, and you have to turn it like that. I'm probably going about the speed of that spinner right now, and it's on 2. So what we do, we cut it off a little bit, and we're going to go the other direction. So you got to let it stop first. You start off, you got to get it going, then you cut it on back. You don't want to go too fast with it because you get out of balance.
The major beauty about this one is you got a motor, your hand is a crank, then you got to flip the frames over. Once you spin one side, you got to stop, flip the frames over, spin the other side. With this forward and reverse, you're spinning both sides at the same time, but you actually get more honey out of your frames if you do reverse it and go the other way.
But the best thing about this spinner is the speed on it. Let's speed up a little bit. But while I'm waiting, we're going to hydrate. We hydrate. So that's how you do that. Have a good one. Summertimebees, look out.
Just plain and simple. Radial is better than Tangiel any day. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Hit that like and subscribe.